Hi, I'm Bill Harris. This is Jim Del Favaro, and we're here to give you a look at the latest from Personal Capital. Personal Capital is a new type of financial advisor, a digital financial advisor. And our investment clients want two things. They want great web and mobile apps to see their data, and they want a personal relationship with a financial advisor who can help them understand it and design a customized financial plan. So we built a new system to deliver both of these things simultaneously, digitally through our apps and personally through our advisors. First, let's look at what the user sees, and a little later on we'll take a look at what the advisor can see. Here's Mary's dashboard, which shows her spending, savings, net worth all in one glance. One click opens a list of all the accounts that Mary has linked: bank, credit card, loan, stock option, and investment accounts. Like so many households, Mary has almost 20 different accounts. But gathering the data is just the starting point. How can Mary make sense of it all? Here's where our new stuff kicks in. First is the investment checkup, where we diagnose the health of Mary's portfolio. What's the most important thing? As always, asset allocation. But Mary, like most people, doesn't even know what her asset allocation is. Well, here it is. And here's a comparison to a more balanced allocation. As she can see, she's probably holding too much cash. Then, how would this balanced allocation have done in comparison to what she has now over the past 20 years? Here it is. Here are the different scenarios now projected forward through her retirement. Here's the trade-off between risk and return. Mary isn't being fully compensated, fully rewarded for the amount of risk in her current portfolio. And there's lots more. The impact of tax optimization, and look at the costs that she's paying in mutual fund fees. For Mary, the diagnosis is eye-opening. And like most people, what she wants then is to review it with an expert. So she requests a consultation with a Personal Capital advisor. Now, let's switch gears to look at what Mary's advisor can see. Here is our advisor dashboard, where the advisor can, first, review Mary's investment checkup. Second, build Mary's household financial profile through direct conversation with Mary. Third, build a personal recommendation. With one click, Mary's advisor can start a new recommendation or edit an existing one. Let's look at the draft the advisor has already been working on. It's a detailed plan, so we'll skip forward to a couple of highlights. On this screen, Mary's advisor has recapped important notes from their earlier conversation: goals, risk tolerance, cash flow, and the like. The advisor can make changes at any time. Here, all of Mary's holdings have been automatically imported. This is really important. It brings all of the data together so that both Mary and the advisor are dealing with the same information. It includes asset allocation by asset class, by geography, by market cap, by sector. It includes the fees that she's been paying on mutual funds. This bird's eye view of Mary's entire household portfolio is the essential starting point for an accurate recommendation. On this screen, the advisor records key observations. Note that Mary's current portfolio is overallocated to cash and overexposed to technology and financial stocks. And here is a recommendation for an optimal allocation: how to capture growth while minimizing risk through diversification. Jumping ahead, we then compare this recommendation to Mary's current holdings, specifically proposing more international stocks, domestic bonds, and alternatives. The screen shows the impact of better balance between risk and return for Mary's portfolio. Now, returning to the advisor dashboard, the advisor can create and edit a recommendation, publish it to Mary's dashboard, send alerts to Mary's iPhone, and archive for compliance. But most importantly, the advisor can kick off a virtual meeting with Mary to share the recommendation. At this point, their discussion is enriched not only by the data, the comprehensive data on everything that's in Mary's financial household, but also by live video with the advisor, making the experience both digital and personal. How? This is all custom code, built right into our apps, so Mary can take the meeting on any desktop or mobile device. Why? Our customer goal is to deliver highly personalized advice to each client. Our operational goal is to deliver it at scale. We're currently managing $500 million of assets, and that's growing by more than 10% each month. Using this system, our advisors can handle 10 to 15 new clients per month, way beyond most industry averages. When thinking about their lifetime finances, most people want both information and a human relationship. Your financial life is complex. Why not simplify it? Technology to help you understand your money, and people to help you grow it. Thank you very much.